Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Kartika Octaviani and my student ID number is 211-011-8220030. I'm from group 10. Here I will presentation about third meeting English mathematics. And the first about vocabulary. Number 1, mean. Meaning is rata-rata. English definition, the mean is the number you get by dividing the sum of a set of values by the number of values in the set. Mean is used in statistics. Example, the mean of 4, 1, and 7 is 4 plus 1 plus 7 per 3 equals 12 per 3 equals 4. And number 2, median. Meaning is nilai tengah. English definition, the median is the middle number in a set of values when those values are arranged from smallest to large. And the example, the median of 4, 1, and 7 is 4 because when the number are put in order 1, 4, 7, the number 4 is in the middle. Number 3, mode. Meaning is modus. English definition, the mode of a set of values is the most frequently repeated value in the set. Example, the mode of 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 2 is 2 because it occurs 3 times, which is more than any other number. Number 4, average. Meaning is rata-rata. English definition, an average is the arithmetic mean of the sum of all the values divided by the total number of values in a given set. Example, William has 3 boxes of cookies that have 3, 7, and 11 cookies each. The average cookies per box is the total number of cookies per the number of box equals 3 plus 7 plus 11 per 3 equals 21 per 3 equals 7. Number 5, data. Meaning is data. English definition, data are measurements or observations that are collected as a source of information. Example, the test score of each student in a particular class is a data set. The score of student, example, 89, 100, 89, 95, 64, 94, and 92. Number 6, counting. Meaning is perhitungan. English definition, counting is the process of determining the number of elements of a finite set of objects, determining the size of a set. Example, when counting money, counting out change, counting by twos, or counting by 5. Number 7, ascending order. Meaning is urutan naik. English definition, ascending order means to arrange number in increasing order that is from smallest to largest. Example, the numbers 12, 5, 7, 10, 1, and 16. Arranged in ascending order are 1, 5, 7, 10, 12, and 16. Number 8, descending order. Meaning is urutan menurut. English definition, descending order means to arrange in a series that begins with the greatest or largest and ends with the least or smallest. Example, the number 18, 20, 12, 24, 7. Arranged in descending order are 24, 20, 18, 12, and 7. Number 9, low score. Meaning is score terendah. In this definition, low scoring in the dictionary is having, getting, or ending in a low score, an amount which is the smallest that is possible, low, or required. Example, from the data below, the low score is 64, and number last is number 10, arrangement. Meaning is susunan atau pengaturan. English definition, in general, an arrangement of object is simply a grouping of them, the number of arrangement of n items is given either by a combination or permutation. Example for the picture. And the next about video word problem. Video word problem about statistic intro, mean, median, and mode. Let's say we have a set of numbers 4, 3, 1, 6, 1, and 7. What is the average, median, and mode value? And solution? Average, it really means give me a typical or a middle number, and really is an attempt to find a measure of centrality tendency. Arithmetic mean equals 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7 per 6 equals 22 per 6 equals 3, 4 per 6 or 3, 2 per 3. And the next median, the median is literally looking for the middle number. We start from smallest to largest, be 1, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 7. We have 6 numbers. There's not one middle number, we have 2 middle numbers right over here. When you have 2 middle numbers, you actually go halfway between these 2 numbers. So the median, 3 plus 4 per 2 equals 7 per 2 equals 3.5. Example, another data set 0, 0, 7, 50, 10,000, 1 million. What is our median? Here we have 5 numbers. We have an odd number of numbers. The middle is the number that is greater than 2 of the numbers and is the less than 2 of the numbers. So in this case, our median is 50. And the next mode. Mode is actually the most common number in a dataset. So the mode from 4, 3, 1, 6, 1, 7 is 1. Because number 1 is the most typical number and the most common number. And the next material is chapter 5, example 1, 2, 5, and 6. For the example 1, the question, the average in math is 82. After taking 8 tests to the nearest whole number, what will her new average be if she earned 92 on her next test? And the resolution, using the relationship described above, the sum of her scores is 82 times 8 equals 656. The sum of new score is 656 plus 92 equals 748. Her new average will be 748 per 9 equals 83.1 or 83. And the example 2, 3 numbers are in the ratio of 2 to 4 to 7. What is the largest of these numbers if their average is 52? And the solution, the relationship tells us that the sum of the 3 scores is 52 times 3 equals 156. Let x be the multiple. 2x plus 4x plus 7x equals 30. X equals 156 and x equals 12. The largest of the 3 numbers is 7 times 12 equals 84. And 4 times 12 equals 48. And the 2 times 12 equals 24. And the check sum of scores equals 84 plus 48 plus 24 equals 156. Number of score equals 3. So average score sum of scores per number of scores equals 156 per 3 equals 52. If their average is 52, the largest of this number is 84. And the next example 5. The question, to get from class to outside the main entrance of the school, you can use any of three styles. What is to the first floor either of 2 corridors to the main lobby and either of 2 doors. How many different ends can you choose from? And the solution to this situation can be visualized by a tree diagram or flowchart that diagram all the possibilities, where C1, C2, and D1, D2 represent corridors 1 and 2 and doors 1 and 2 respectively. There are clearly 12 possible ways from the classroom to the outside of the main entrance. Note that the number of branches of the tree is based on the product 3 times 2 times 2 equals 12. This is the basis of the counting principle, which is a popular way to solve such problem. The counting principle states that the total number of different selections consisting of picking one item from each of several different types is equal to the product of the possibilities from each item selected. And the next and the last example 6. At the local fast food restaurant, you can choose from 8 different sandwiches, 4 different side dishes, and 5 different beverages. How many different meals can you have consisting of 1 sandwich, 1 side order, and 1 beverage? And so the solution, the number of different meals is equal to the product 8 times 4 times 5 equals 160. One way to create a visual for counting problems such as this is to think of filling slots for the problem described above. We will draw blank sandwich times blank set orders times blank beverage and fill the slot with the number of different choices for each item, namely 8, 4, and 5. This will help with more complicated problems. So, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.